Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Stop!
Hey, 6, we got one taking off on us. She's trying to drive away.
On May 23, 2022, a regular police officer pulls over a driver for a broken tail light.
Hi, how you doing?
Was I speeding?
No, you weren't speeding. You don't have your back lights on.
They don't turn on. They're automatic. These are auto lights that come on. So that's what's on right now.
Okay. You don't have any way to turn them on?
My back lights?
Yeah, so like a lot of times...
When I brake?
No, like your tail lights just aren't on at all. So when you brake, your lights will activate, but like when you're just driving on the road regularly...
These are just auto lights. I don't really know how to fix that.
Okay. It's not, if you twist it over, usually...
Then my brights are on.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
And I don't
know how to fix it.
I don't think I'm allowed to have my brights on when I'm on the main street.
Yeah, you're not. But there's got to be a way to have your back lights on.
I don't know.
I'm gonna say, can you go ahead and put the car in park?
This is a rental car. This isn't even mine. If you looked at my plates already, this is a rental car.
Okay, that's fine. Do you have your license on you?
I have a state ID.
Okay. Can you put your car in park for me? Okay. And do you have your ID on you?
I have a state ID. Can you hand me my purse? The brown purse. No, the brown purse.
What are you guys out doing?
I'm taking them home right now.
Oh, okay.
I actually don't know if it's in here, but...
Okay, I can take...
And not go hurt.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I got you.
Sorry, I just came back.
Okay, I don't have my state ID. I don't know if you can look it up.
Yeah, I can take down your name.
It's honestly so confusing. My car's so old. So
Are you...
Yeah, I don't even... This isn't my car, so I barely even know how to work
it happens. It happens.
Since it's a rental.
What's your first name?
Jada, J-A-H-D-A.
And your last name?
Davis, D-A-V-I-S.
You have a middle name?
R.
Okay.
Renee.
And what's your birthday? Okay. All right. And have you guys been drinking?
No.
No, nobody's been drinking at all? Okay.
She just got off at Jim's.
Okay. It smells like alcohol in the car. That's why I'm asking. Okay. So if
we don't have any alcohol in the car.
I know. I'm saying if you have been drinking, it smells like somebody's been drinking. So that's why I'm asking.
Okay.
All right. So you haven't had, none of you have had anything to drink?
We were at a party.
Okay. Okay. All right. Well, just give me 1 sec. I'm going to be right back with you, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
The officer noticed the smell of alcohol coming from the car, but the woman said she hadn't been drinking.
186, got you another unit. They were just, you could tell that they're the ones in the one in the back seat's drunk for sure. And I tried to explain to the driver that I was like, somebody's been drinking in this car. And they're like, no, we haven't been drinking. So.
They refused IDs or something?
No, I didn't even ask because they just kept going off on, they kept telling me a bunch of stupid information that I didn't need to know. And the chick was like, oh, well, I don't have my ID on me. So she gave me her name and date of birth. Yeah. And then it's like dealer plates. She's like, well, this isn't my car. That's why the lights weren't on. And then she stopped like this, so. Okay. So I'm just gonna. Yeah, I'm just gonna see if she'll do some tests for me. Alright. So Jada, you said you had nothing to drink tonight, right?
No.
Okay. Would you mind just doing a few tests for me to see?
None of us. But you pulled me over for lights. Isn't that a warning?
No, it can be a ticket.
I've gotten pulled over for my lights not being on, and I've sworn every time that's a warning.
It's a violation, so you can write somebody a ticket for it. Like I said, I want to, like I said, I can smell the odor of alcoholic beverage coming from inside your guy's car.
But you pulled me over for lights.
Yes, that's still a valid reason to stop you.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that. I thought that was just a warning because I've been pulled over for my lights before, and they've given me a warning for that because I looked it up and it said that that's not an actual
That's not.
I just looked it up on my phone.
Okay, what is it?
I can show you.
Okay.
It just said that that's not an actual...
I haven't been to police training. I don't know the IVC or anything.
Can I show you? It just told me that
show me what it is. It says you have to have 2 lights activated, 2 in the front and 2 in the back.
So my lights didn't come on in the back?
I explained that to you. They weren't on.
What is that? Like, what do you mean by lights?
Your lights were not on in the back.
When
that means
braked?
that nobody could see you when you were driving down the road if they were behind you. And it's all recorded on camera, so...
Okay. I guess
Okay.
I'm just kind of confused, but all of us can step out.
Nope,
you.
I just need you to step out because you're the one driving.
Okay.
Okay, you haven't had anything to drink, right?
No. I
Okay.
mean, we went to a party, but I don't think that anything that we were like containing or anything like that
Okay.
has us under the influence as being drunk.
Okay. How old are you?
Or 0.8, right?
0.08? Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're how old?
20.
20? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so just come over here with me. We're going to get out of the roadway here. Before I start, do you have any problems with your eyes or any abnormalities or anything like that? Any colored contacts?
I think I have 20/20 vision.
You think you have 20/20 vision?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So do me a favor. I'm going to just stand here real quick. I'm going to turn these lights off, okay? Okay, but no other medical conditions that you see a doctor for or anything like that?
Like Lexapro,
What's that?
depression.
Oh, okay, like antidepressant medicine? Okay. How many do you take, like Xanax or anything like that?
Yeah.
I don't. Okay. Are you taking that right now?
Yeah,
When's the last time you took it?
today.
Okay. Like what time?
8 a.m.,
Okay. Okay.
15 milligrams.
Okay. And you said you were at a party. You drank a little bit though. Is that
Yeah.
what you said? Okay. How much did you drink?
Not enough to be drunk.
Okay. All right. So just really quick, I'm going to run you through some tests to make
Okay.
sure you're good to drive. All right.
Okay.
So it's a little bit. It's kind of like a little slope here. So I want to do the test right over here. I just had
Okay.
to turn these lights off. All right. The first test I'm going to do, I'm going to check your eyes. So can you take your hat off for
Yeah.
me?
Oh, my hair's not done.
Okay. And you're not wearing colored contacts, right? Anything like that?
Nothing
okay.
like that.
So feet, heels,
I
and
have a
toes
lazy
together.
eye, but that's
okay.
about it.
All right, that's fine. Feet, heels, toes together, arms down your
Okay.
sides, just like this. Okay. Don't do anything until I tell you to.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to check your eyes. I want you to look at the top of my pen. I want you to keep your head still and follow the top of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay. All right. And then the next part of the test we're going to do is a walking test, okay?
Can I put this back on?
Yep, you can put your hat back on. You don't have problems walking?
Nope.
Any like back, leg, neck issues or anything like that?
Scoliosis, that's it. My back.
Okay, but that doesn't prevent you from walking like a
I
straight line or
walk a
anything?
little bit on my tiptoes, that's about it.
Okay, all right. So just, again, I'm going to read a set of instructions to you, okay? I'll demonstrate the test and then I'll let you know when you can start, okay?
Okay.
All right, so what I want you to do is put your right foot in front of your left foot with your right heel touching your left toe and your arms down at your sides. Perfect. Hold that position for me. Do not begin until I tell you to. Do you understand? Once you begin, don't stop until you've completed the test. Keep your arms at your sides at all times. Watch your feet at all times and count your steps out loud. When I say begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line, turn around and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. I want you to make your turn by keeping your front foot on the line and then use your other foot to turn yourself around with several small steps. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that for you real quick. It'll look just like this, okay? Just did 3 for demonstration because if I was to do the whole thing, I would walk past you.
Okay.
So you're going to do 9.
tell me when to stop?
Yep. Well, you'll do 9 down and back like I explained, but
Okay.
the only thing different from what I showed you was I only did 3 steps. So
Okay.
you'll do 9, okay?
Can I start whenever?
Yep, you can go ahead and start.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. You go ahead and turn around and do 9 back.
Okay. Does this first one count as 1?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. The last part of the test we're going to do is a one-leg stand, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Serena. Do you have a watch on you? I forgot to put mine on. Don't do anything until I tell you to. Do you understand? When I tell you to, raise either foot of your choice parallel to the ground, approximately 6 inches off the ground. keep both legs straight and hold that position while you count out loud in the following manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Watch your raised foot while you're counting and keep your arms at your side. All right, you can begin.
1001, 1002, 1003.
Just raise that foot up a little bit higher for me, okay? Thank you.
1005, 1006, 2007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011. Keep going.
Yep, keep going.
1012, 2013.
Just make sure you're watching that foot too, okay?
2015, 2016, 2014.
All right, you could stop.
25.
Okay, so since you're under the age of 21,
Okay.
you admitted to drinking to me, okay? You know you have to blow absolute zeros to be able to drive, right?
So, I don't think, basically, I said everyone in this car has drank. I did not say to you that I have drank.
You literally just said that you drank.
I said everyone in this car, because they wanted me to admit to you that they had drank, because they thought that you were going to breathalyze all of us.
You just told me right over here that you drank at a party.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I thought you were asking for everyone in
And
the
I'm
car.
noticing-
I don't know my rights, if I'm being completely honest. I thought you were going to breathalyze all of us.
No, I'm going to breathalyze you right now because
Okay.
I'm noticing indicators of impairment, and I want to be sure that what I'm seeing from our tests are accurate.
Okay.
Okay? So what I'm trying to explain to you is you're under the age of 21, so you can't drink and drive at all. All right, Jada, just walk over here with me, okay?
Both Illinois Wesleyan students, right?
I'm not going to lie to you. I'm very nervous. I just peed my pants.
Okay.
Is it possible I can go to the bathroom or just pee behind a bush very, very fast?
There's no restroom open. Okay.
Okay.
Just hang out real quick, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Jada, this is a brand new straw, all right? I'm gonna put this on here. I'm not gonna touch the part that you're gonna use, okay? All right, so do me a favor, all right?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's all right.
I really have to go to the bathroom.
It's okay. All right. Can you just blow into this until it clicks? No, hang on. Just a nice steady breath, okay?
Okay.
All right, go ahead. All right, hang on. It's gotta. You gotta.
I'm sorry. I'm literally going
okay.
to the bathroom
It's okay.
right now.
But can I can give you a second.
Can I just go pee? Really? You can come with me. You can literally come with me. I don't care, but I really have to go to the bathroom.
Okay. I mean, if you absolutely can't hold it, we can make that work, I guess.
She can come with me, but I'm literally
Okay.
peeing my pants right now.
Okay. All right. She can go with you.
Please.
Okay. I'm gonna get this set up again for you.
Okay.
Yeah, just blow in this nice steady breath until it clicks, okay?
Did it click?
Yep. You're at a 0.103. Okay.
0.103, what does that mean? Under 0.8?
That means you're over the legal limit.
Okay.
Okay, so you do have to be placed under arrest.
Okay.
Okay, just put your
So
hands behind your back.
are you
for
gonna
me.
take them home?
They're getting picked up. So
Okay.
okay, I appreciate you being cooperative.
Yep.
There you go. All right.
So what did you say it was? Sorry.
186, I think.
103.
103? Can I look at it?
0.103. It's gone now. I just showed it
Can
to
I
you a
blow
second
again?
ago.
Sorry,
You're
I
gonna
didn't
get
see
the
it.
opportunity to blow again when we get back to the police department. Okay.
Can I do it right now really quick? I didn't see it.
I just showed it to you.
I didn't look
And
at
I
it.
told you.
I'm sorry. I didn't see it because
No, we're gonna go back to the police department and then.
Am I allowed to do it one more time?
Yeah, we're gonna.
Can I do it
that
right
again.
here, please? I'd like to see it because I didn't see it.
You're gonna be able to see a printed out version.
I want
when
to
we
see
get
it
back to
right
the police
now if
department.
that's okay.
No,
Am
it's
I
not.
allowed to?
No.
I'm
We've
asking
already-
her.
I literally-
Is that okay?
She's not in charge. She's the backup
You're not in
officer.
charge.
This is traffic stop.
So
You
But
already
you-
blew a 103.
You
go.
saw it?
Yeah,
Let's
I
go.
didn't see it.
Okay. Sorry. I didn't know if I was allowed to look at it. But I could have sworn that did not say that.
Do you have anything in the car that you need?
Yeah, this
do you
is a
have?
rental car. I need everything out of that car.
Is this your car?
No,
Whose car is it?
a rental.
Whose car?
A
Whose-
rental
whose
car.
rental? You
Like
can't
Sam
rent
Lehman.
Okay, you can't rent a car. You're under the age of 21. So who rented the car?
They rented the car to me. That's their fault.
Just, I don't know what their policy is, but is your car in the shop or something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it's not an actual rental, it's just a loan, like basically a loaner?
But it's at their shop.
Gotcha. Okay. All right, that makes sense.
It's not from them, though.
Here's your phone for you.
I don't know that I about their stuff, but one's wearing 05, and she's not.
05?
Yes, and she's not returning. Her mom called a ride for them. But do you want them to get issued OVs or
Yeah,
what?
if you want to write them OVs for the drinking.
The woman had developed a tolerance to alcohol, and the urge to urinate could be evidence of that.
Maybe 95 to post for the adult female starting zeros.
Is it possible you can come pee with me again?
What's that?
I don't need a female officer to watch me. I don't want to pee my pants again. Will you come with me outside? You can follow me.
We're literally going to the police department. It's like a mile away.
I'm peeing on your seat.
Right now?
Yes.
Hang on, don't get out. Don't get out. There's a car coming. She's peeing again. Stop! No! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Stop!
Hey, 6, we got one taking off on us. She's trying to drive away. What is your problem?
Hey, hey. Hey, she got back in the car. Get to the unit.
Okay, okay,
Relax.
okay, 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 ma'am. Okay, 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 okay,
Keep that on,
okay,
keep that on.
okay. I will get out. I will literally get out.
Fuck, out of the car!
Get out of the car!
God, stop!
Get your hand off! Get out of the car!
You're gonna get tased!
Get out of the
Okay,
car.
okay,
You're gonna get fucking...
okay. Ow, 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 ow.
Okay.
Ow, 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 ow.
Where's your body cam?
I don't know.
Okay, go get your body cam.
Fucking stand by her. She alright?
You good? Roll on your side.
You okay?
You okay?
What's the matter?
Here's your body cam.
You slammed me on my chest.
Or do you need the ambulance?
Do you need rescue?
Can you get an ambulance?
Yeah.
Okay, what are you hurting? What's hurting?
My chest.
Your chest? Okay, go to your side. Roll to your side.
I can't feel my hands.
You can't feel your
They're
hands?
numb. They're numb and tingling.
You said they're numb and tingling. What else is tingling?
My legs.
Your legs? Can you move your legs?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna have you sit up,
My,
okay?
my hands
I'm
are
have you
numb.
sit
My
up.
hands are numb.
Okay, I'm gonna have you sit up. Ready?
They're numb.
I'm gonna have you sit up, okay? Sit up. Are your legs all right?
I can feel my legs. I can't feel my hands.
Okay.
And my chest hurts.
Okay, we got rescue en route.
The woman tried to escape, but the police stopped her, and during the arrest she sustained minor injuries.
Was it worth it? I hope so.
Can I have my hat?
No.
I'm not allowed to have my hat?
No.
No.
Why? Can I ask why?
We're done trying to be nice to you.
But I'm asking
Especially
why.
after that shit that you pulled.
But I'm asking why I can't have a hat.
Because I said so.
It's right there.
I tried to be nice to you and let you go to the bathroom and you
Have
run
my
from me.
hat?
No.
Why? What does a hat have to do with anything?
I put it back in your car.
It's right there. Oh, you just grabbed it?
I put it back in the car.
But that's going to the rental company. You realize that?
No, it's going,
It's going to
getting
Joe's
towed.
towing. It's getting towed.
You're towing my car?
Yes.
You can't take it back to the dealership?
No.
Why?
Because you're getting arrested for DUI.
But you
Along with
can't
some
take
other
it.
charges.
But that's not even my car.
Okay.
So how are you gonna tow a car that's not like Joe's doesn't really tow rentals. They tow cars that are parked in the wrong spot. Like they're gonna tell you basically because a rental. I know friends whose a rental has been towed before. I'm just letting you guys. I'm just letting you guys know.
Don't let them leave.
Can I let you know what they're about to tell you?
Just make sure they don't leave.
All right.
I have paperwork for them.
I'm just telling you, like towing my car really like does not make sense, but. Because you just told me that a fucking
How's your hands?
A dealership,
your hands are moving.
A dealership showed me my car underage, so that makes me want to call them when I get out of here.
How old are you?
You already know my age.
How old are you?
Isn't he your main person?
How old
so why don't you ask him?
20?
Yep.
Because they usually don't sell for anybody under the age of 25. It's extra
yeah, it's
money.
Against the law.
That has nothing to do with us.
But you pulled me over in a rental car. So you ran my plates, right? I'm asking you that. You ran my plates, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm about to call them and tell them, you just sold me a car. You just ran my car and they sold it to me underage. So that's already against the law. Okay. This isn't even my car. That doesn't make sense.
How's your legs
still
feel?
Getting towed.
How's your legs feel?
Huh?
Are you injured anywhere else?
I said my arms, not my legs.
Okay,
I said my chest and my arms are numb.
Is your chest still numb?
Yes, still. No,
numb?
I didn't say my chest was numb. I said my arms were numb. Yes,
okay,
I could not feel them. It's probably the mixture of the cold and the fact that you slammed me down. So yes.
Well, you tried to take us off on us, so.
I realize that.
And
but
put your
yes,
car in
ma'am.
drive, so that's on you now.
Yes, ma'am.
And you've been a police officer, so.
I realize that,
it's
but
another charge.
I'm telling you, yes, that they are still very numb.
Right, anything else injured on you? Because Rusty's gonna ask.
What?
I said, is anything else injured?
My head hurts a little bit. Probably gave me a concussion when you slammed my head.
Your head wasn't slammed on the ground?
Yeah, my face was on the floor.
Your head was not slammed on the ground, though?
No, my head hit the floor on my own.
On your own? Okay.
Like, due to you guys slamming me on the floor. So yeah, my head does hurt. If you want to do a concussion test.
I threw the key in the...
Is it push to start?
Due to the force, my head hit the floor.
You said you threw it where?
And I know you have a body cam, so yeah, due to the force, my head hit the floor. So if you guys could do the concussion test whenever this ambulance get here, it'd be great to know that you gave me a concussion. That'd be awesome to know.
What's that?
I'm really just trying to cooperate. Like, I hope you know that. I know you already looked up my file. I went to U-High. I'm a good kid. I'm not trying to play around. Because you tried, like, literally pulling me out of the car, and I know all about police brutality. I'm scared for my life that you're going to shoot me. That's what I'm scared about.
Oh, okay.
That's why.
Okay. Not
to be rude, but you're a white male. So anytime I see a white officer, I get hella scared for my life.
Okay.
That's the only thing that I'm ever worried about.
Okay.
If you're questioning, that's why. If you have questions, that's absolutely why. I don't want to have to worry about being shot in the fucking
You can tell
head.
the state's attorney that because they're going to charge you.
Yeah, that's absolutely for sure. I'm going to say, literally, I'm scared of white police officers.
Okay, that's fine.
I feel more comfortable around this 2 black officers than I do around a white officer.
Okay.
For sure.
Well, if you
if you gave me a concussion, you got me f***ed up, for sure.
Okay.
Because I will. Ooh, that's going to be interesting.
So when the ambulance gets here, when you walk over there, do not try to run because you will get tackled.
I'm not going to try to run. I'm going to tell them exactly
I will tackle you if you run.
Okay, because you're white. That makes perfect sense.
Right. Yep.
Notice how she said she wasn't going to tackle me, and she's a female? Weirdo. You're literally weird. Hello. Hello, sir.
So she resisted arrest, tried to run us over.
And
she got body slammed to the ground.
Excuse me, and I have scrapes. So. I don't know if you can see my hands. If you'd like to see them, there's open.
She's complaining of some,
arms are
there's
numb.
open scars.
That her chest hurts.
There's open scars on my hand. My head hurts, and my hands are numb. All 3 of those. Go for it.
So you want to go to the hospital and get checked out?
If you'd like. I mean, I know my insurance covers it,
well, it's up to you. It's what you'd like.
Sure.
Okay. I mean, I suppose we can do that for you.
Okay. Can you do all those things though before? Like treat all those things before you take me to the hospital, or are you going to do it all there?
So we can like take
What's
vital
wrong with
signs.
You can't do a concussion test
here. Go to the hospital.
You can't do a concussion test right now?
Not really.
Okay, then fine. I'll go with you guys.
Okay.
Slamming me, my head like bounced back forward and like literally hit the concrete
Pass over here, you can, man.
And then I have scrapes on my, like, hand.
Thanks for working with us.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Jada Davis was arrested and charged with aggravated battery, resisting arrest, DUI, and fleeing from an officer. She was sentenced to 92 days in jail and 24 months of probation. Like and subscribe for more.